Hey there, deal hunters. Ready to dive into a treasure trove of savings? Today I'm sharing the ultimate secret to snagging precious metals at unbeatable prices. But first, hit that link in the description below to unlock your exclusive discount. Now let's talk about Bullion Exchanges. They're not just your run-of-the-mill precious metals dealer. We're talking about a company located straight out of the New York City Diamond District. Pretty fancy, huh? They've been around since 2012, so they kinda know a thing or two about gold, silver, and all that shiny stuff. Imagine this. You get to lock in your prices even when the market's snoozing. Yep, Bullion Exchanges lets you do just that. And for those who love a good deal, they've got the Bullionaire Club. It's like a loyalty program, but with a flashy name and even flashier rewards. And guess what? They're not just about selling. If you've got some old gold or even a watch that's seen better days, they're happy to appraise it for free. Talk about a full-service shop. Oh, and don't worry about getting duped. These folks are legit with an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. Plus, they've got thousands of happy customers raving about their service. But let's face it, sometimes things don't go as planned, right? Some folks grumble about slow shipping or tricky returns, but hey, nobody's perfect. So if you're all about scoring deals and making smart investments, Bullion Exchanges is your go-to. Remember, that exclusive discount is waiting for you in the description below. Ready to turn your savings into a shining reality? Click the link and let the treasure hunt begin. Thanks for watching, and go grab your golden opportunity.